Sure, you can, of course. And I wish you all the success because it's
In our country also.
5.5 years.
Also in our
Very
neighborhood.
good. And, you know, I wish you find it happy
United
as
States ambassador as well.
and very good. And, you know, we are very close.
That we can